Welcome to Phone Clinix, your personal phone diagnostics expert. In this video, we'll guide you through the desktop app to help you get started. This is the main dashboard of the Phone Clinix desktop app. Here, you can view all connected devices in real time. Once a device is connected, it turns green and is ready for diagnostics. You can manage up to 20 devices simultaneously. Each device displays essential information such as IMEI, model, version, color, warranty status, and more. The sidebar on the right provides access to essential features for batch processing tasks on connected devices, including fetching device information, installing apps, setting up Wi-Fi profiles, powering off, restarting, bypassing device setup, and erasing devices. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the instructions section. This provides a step-by-step guide to get started. First, connect your devices via USB cables. The app will automatically initiate the necessary device operations. Once connected, wait for the device to turn green to begin diagnosing. On the right, you'll find 3 important navigation buttons. The Devices button takes you to a page displaying all the connected devices and those you've tested. The Tests button brings you to a page that lists every diagnostic test performed on the devices. Finally, the Settings button allows you to customize the layout of the device cards, set up Wi-Fi profile credentials, map ports, and toggle specific features on or off. Just below these buttons, you can also see your current credits balance. And that's a quick tour of the Phone Clinix desktop app. Be sure to explore all the features and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy diagnosing.